Hello everyone. Today we're playing Press the Button number 4. Okay, so someone already pressed the button? Yeah. This is the 4th one for this game. The 4th version. Reach to the mountaintop. Is it first person or... Don't let it be first person. Oh, are you kidding me? Oh, I gotta start all the way... Oh my goodness. Bruv, I gotta start all the way back? No, I'm gonna be lost. Is this whoever makes it to the top first? Oh, this is where it gets tricky. Oh, okay. Go up. Yes. Let's go. Come on. Oh, damn, those yetis are frozen. No, this is not gonna kill me, right? What? Wait. Oh, you're supposed to wait? Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay, yes. I finished that part now. Let's go. I'm so close. Don't end. No! Dang it. It ended. Be the first one to grab the shape that is asked for? Okay. What? Bright red ball? Oh. Wait, is there only one? Oh my god. Oh, orange hexagon. Oh, is this? Oh no, that's not a hexagon. I don't know. I was just pressing a triangle. It's not a hexagon. A green wedge? Bro. Oh my, chill. Where are you gonna find these stuff, bro? What? Where? Cyan square? Oh, is that? Is it that? Come on, look, it's a cyan block. Come on. Orange triangle, a pizza. Oh my god, oh my goodness. Wait, is it this? What? What do you mean? What? Where did this come from? Come on, it's a pizza. How do you... I don't understand. Bro, it's a pizza. Bro, it is... Oh my goodness, are you... What is this? Oh my god, and... That game mode made no sense. That game mode made literally no sense. Oh my... Now what the... Oh, bro, this is just... What is going on? Snowballs, yeah. Who? Wait. Oh, they're dropping from the sky? Oh my god. Whoa. Look at that. Woo. This was easy. This was easy. Oh my goodness. What? What was that? Oh my goodness, that was so big. Holy. We have one spin. Come on. Give me something good. Give me that. Yo, give me that taser. Wait, what did I get? Oh my, I got 2 times coins, I think. We entered the castle. Wait, I wasn't ready. Chill. Wait for me, guys. I wasn't ready. Come on. Come on. Reach the other side of the bridge. Oh my goodness. Bro. How do you do this? You're so slippery. And now I'm so slow. What's going on? Why am I so slow now? Actually, that's a good thing. Now I have better control. Ooh, I'm speeding up a little bit. Let's go. I don't know why I'm slow, but wait, oh my god, no! Oh my gosh. I'm slow, but at least I have better control. I say that, but I died right there. I'll try to do better. Look at that girl. She died. Ooh, why is there a crack right there? Chill. No, wait. No. Oh my god, that was so close. That was so... Wait, stop. Just stop. Oh my god. Bro, what the... Oh my bro, this is too hard. Oh, so we got a Squid Game, bro. Get wrecked. Oh, this is easy. Just wait until she stops singing. Easy. How do people even die from this? This is too easy. Who's even killing us? How are we dying? Oh dang, he was so close. How are people even dying? Like, who's shooting? Like, Come on, guys. Let's go. Oh my god, are you kidding me? I didn't even know what happened. I just fell right out the platform, bro. I didn't even know what happened. It just spawned us right in. No one even survived. Did anyone survive? What happened? Yeah, bro, we got good. Get the balls to the other side, okay? Bro, get off the ball. Hey, why are they so hard to push? Oh wait, oh my god. Wait a minute. I don't think I can push this. Oh my god, look at how weak I am. Look, my skeleton body can't do anything. Dude, this is so hard. Yes. Yeah, so now what do I do? Oh wait. Oh, you already got one, nice. But my skeleton body, it can't do anything, bro. I'm so weak. Come on, we're winning, you have 4 balls. How much do they have? Yo, get that, no, you ain't getting that, that shit, man. Yo, get that ball. Oh, let's go. Out here. Yeah, y'all suck. Blue team, let's go. Out here. Think fast? Bro, oh my god. Bro, what? Bro, that's all luck based. What do you mean think fast? How are you? Bro, if you're on the other side of the map, how are you? Bro, oh my god. What do you mean think fast? Like dang. How could we have done that? Wait, find the diamond. Bro, we're supposed to find the diamond from here? Oh my god. Bro, like, this diamond is never gonna be found. Oh, well, someone found the diamond. Bro. Where even was it? Let me press out the thing. Oh, bro, are you kidding me? Yo, this is, oh my god. They gotta stop doing this stuff. What is this? How, bro? How was it just gonna make it start that soon? At least put a countdown. So you can have some time. Whoa. Complete the obbies to build the snowman? Alright, fine. Ooh. Oh my. I'm dead. Wait, it's just like, what is this? Oh, helpers? Oh. I guess it's one person each time. So can you only do this obby once? I think you can only do this obby once. Well, I'm about to be one of the helpers. Let's go! Boom! Hey, let's go! Hey, let me see that. Let me see the snowman. Oh, dang it. Let me see. Oh my gosh. Whew. So look at that big snowman. Woo. Was that it? Oh, that was it. That was so easy. One, reach the end. It's all you guys. What? How do you just jump? Oh, bro, you can't jump? Can you not jump? What just happened? Oh my, oh, this one? Okay. Come on, girls. Bro, this girl's hacking. Look at her. She's hacking, bro. Oh my god. Oh, whoa, what? Where is the... Why are there bananas here? Oh, move. Oh my gosh. Those dang bananas. Stand clear of fire? Oh, it's this thing. And someone's controlling it. Look at that, Momito. Why are you trying to kill us, Momito? Dang. Wait. She's AFK. She's either stuck or AFK. Oh, no, she is not AFK. Ooh. Two people does. Oh, what the? Oh my god, chill. Oh my, everyone just died. Oh. Sam, yo, Sam, why are you stuck in there? Oh. Wait, what? Bro, wait, we could have gone? There was nowhere to go. Ew, what are you talking about? What was that? What was the point of that? This? Oh. Let's go, I won. I don't know, I won. Oh my god. Nope, not this one. Oh my god. Yo, I suck at these ones. Press that button. Get to the end? Okay. Woo. Oh my gosh. Bro. Eesh. Run. Oh, wait. Oh, you can, okay. I thought there wasn't a thing there. Whoa. Wait, what? Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? And that guy just hacked, he just jumped over the thing. Bro. Suckers are hacking in this game. Like, what's... Bro, why are you guys hacking? How do you even get there? Oh, you just jump? Oh, no, never mind. They didn't hack. Oh, like I said. Hey, let's go. We win. Let us out. Yo, let us out. We won. Let us out. Oh, you're keeping us captive. Bro, what? Oh, great. Everyone just died. What was the point of that? I guess fine. Jump over the... Oh my god, it's these ones. I suck at these ones. Oh, get away. Oh my god, the thing. Bro, the thing. Gear thingy just... Oh my... It just screwed me up. I didn't see what was going on. Oh my gosh. This game. Where? Oh, there's mines. I'm taller than you. Am I? Oh my god, how did he get that? Bro, give me that. Yes. Oh, there's one other one. It's mine. Oh my god, bro. No, I can't get that. That's mine. No. How do they keep getting it? Get away from me. Bro, how? I swear I was the closest one there. Bro, I got one present. Bro, come on. Give me that. Smice. Bro, what? How did I not get that? Oh my god. 8. That guy has 8. How? Oh my god. Bro, this is not fair. How did he get 9? Through the broken windows. So, where is it? Oh, there it is. Okay. Wait, how is a hammer repairing this? This makes no sense. How the heck is a hammer repairing a window? Game, make it make sense. Oh my gosh. Yo, you guys do the work. I'm just gonna stay up to scrape. I'm too scared. Guys, do it. Fix it. How long is this gonna go on for? Oh, bro, it's... Let me up there. Yo, let me up there. Fam! Guy, how long is this gonna go on for? Oh, no. Get me up there. Oh. Bro, how long is this gonna go off for? Yo, we're about to die. It's coming up. Someone. We can't even repair the windows anymore. Whoa, come on. Oh, there we go. Nice. Grab the most amount of candy? How? Oh, they're just around the map? Bro. What? Wait, how would you know where it is? Where? Oh, there's one. Oh my gosh. Sucker got it. Oh, there's one. Give me that. One? Okay, I got one at least. See any other ones? Come on, where's the other ones? Bro, where's the other ones? Bro, I'm not gonna win this. Yo, let's check out the shop. I have 108 coins. What can I buy? Wait, drink this to become small, drink this to become big. Oh, this is so expensive though. Oh, I only have 1,008 coins. I mean, 108 coins. 1,000, not 1,000. Just 100, I mean. What can I buy? I can just buy these fruits. That's it? Is that all I can buy? I can buy a pizza. Like, bro. Get to the water? Where? What? Hey, my guy, you good? Oh, why was you falling like that? Hey, come on, I'm in the water. No, I didn't get that, but... See what I mean? How is that fair? Bro, like, I didn't even get a chance. Like, bro, oh my god, these events are so unfair. I didn't even get a chance. Bro, get that guy getting chased. You run, my guy, run. Chill run. What? Yo, what happened? Why were we all small and fast? It was slippery. Hey, it was slippery. Yo, turn us big again. Press that button. Whoa, wait. Yo, what the? Yo, this is kinda cool. Stay away from the pumpkin monster? How? When we're so small? Yo, it's kinda cool. I like this one. Ooh, it's kinda scary, you know? I like it. Good stuff. So where's the pumpkin monster? I wanna see it. Whoa, this pumpkin monster? Oh, it's fast. Whoa. It's just as fast as us. Oh, look at us. Oh, let's go. We survived. Yes, sir. Give me that coin. Oh, bro. That girl is so dead. Oh, dead. Yo, girl, you good? Come on, girl, let's go. Wait, chill. Oh my god. I'm so slow. Stay clear of the moving platforms. Okay. Fine. Come on. When's it gonna move? Huh? Where is it? Oh, there it is. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh. Hey, stay away from me. Stay away from me. Stay away from me, platforms. Oh, that girl's dead. Rip. I was AFK. Come on. Yo, guys, stay safe. Don't die on me. Oh, bro, why is he floating again? Why is that man always floating? Oh, bro, why is he always floating? He just stepped on the... Oh my god, he almost died. Oh my god, he almost... Oh, wait. Oh, wait. No! Oh my gosh. Bro, what the... Oh my god. Just great. Woo! Oh, look at us. We're flying. Let's go. Oh, wait. No. Don't let us. We're flying. Let's go. Reach the top? Where's the top? Yo, where is the top? It looks like it goes on forever. Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's go to the mountains, to the skies. Woo! Let's go. We're flying. Yo. I can see the top. Yes. I'm almost there. No. Oh, that was close. That was very close. Are you kidding? Bro. I tried my best though. Wait, and I'm stuck now. Bro, they're leaving me out of the minigame now. Oh, I survived. See, I survived. I'm not dying to you. Not today. Well, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, remember to like, subscribe, and comment. But hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out. Bye.